We're happy that you want to join Allegro. This guide will help you successfully register and activate your business account. First, go to allegro.pl and click here to start the process. Switch to the English version of the form and then choose Business Account. Enter the main email address for your account. Make sure it's one you use. The most important messages will be sent to it. Use a strong password you'll remember, and then add a phone number our team can contact you at. Choose your company's country of registration. Next, provide its tax ID number. The name you type here must match the name in the official registration documents. Fill out the company address information and then check the first box if you've read and understand our user agreement. The other two consents are optional. Now go to your inbox and confirm your Allegro account registration. Congratulations! Your account is almost ready. Now we need to verify it. Let's set your payouts account. Select your company type. If you are not a sole trader, please choose Other Company Type. Review your company details and then confirm your bank account details. You have three options to do that: an offline transfer, a fast online transfer, or a bank statement. If you choose an offline transfer, you'll have to use the details provided to send a penny transfer. You can use Polish zlotys, US dollars, euros, or other major currencies. Fast online transfers are only available if you have an account in a Polish bank. If you do, you will see it as one of the options to choose. The bank statement option is the easiest for international sellers and is recommended. Complete your bank account details and send us a statement from that bank account. The bank statement should be issued in English on bank's official letterhead. Include the number of the account as well as the name and registered address of the company that the account belongs to. Include bank stamps and a name stamp and a signature of the issuing person. For all these methods, please remember that the account you choose for payouts must be your company's account, not a personal one. In the next step, you'll be asked to upload documents necessary for us and the payment operator. The company registration documents should be in English, Polish, German, or Czech, and must be 4 months old or newer. If you aren't sure where to receive that document from, please contact our support team or use the link in the description. Please make sure that all files you attach are no larger than 10 megabytes. You can add another document if the one you provided doesn't have all the necessary information. Next, please add information about all the company representatives indicated in the registration documents. We recommend passports, but other ID documents can be accepted. Make sure the name and surname match the registration documents. Fill out basic information about each representative, and then upload an identity document for each representative. If there are any company beneficiaries, please provide their name, surname, nationality, and date of birth. Documents aren't required here. After you're done attaching all the documents, all you need to wait for is their verification. In the meantime, you can fill out the tabs needed to start selling once your account is ready. Watch the tutorials linked in the video description to find out what to pay attention to when adding the necessary information, like return terms. Good luck with your Allegro sales!
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.